Nature holds many secrets. Every so often, one of them is unraveled, and a whole new beautiful world opens up to us. Galilee, northern Israel. A region where since time immemorial people have lived in harmony with their surroundings. Here you find olive trees that are thousands of years old and plants and herbs that are a gift from Mother Nature. This is the birthplace of Gamila, a woman who experienced the exceptional power of nature at a very young age. A power that makes people healthier, happier, and more beautiful. What she discovered is beauty in its purest form. Made of the most potent herbs and purest olives, each with its own preparation method, derived from nature that has been honored and cherished for centuries. Created in an authentic manner, respecting traditions and customs, and combined into a unique formula. Gamila Secret.